Hey guys, we're doing a quick unboxing of this mini DisplayPort to HDMI converter. Okay, so around the box, let me just show you. Right. Let's take it out of the box. So I will be testing this out. I'll be putting a review later on. I always test out things for a few months before I set up any reviews. And this is just a quick unboxing. So what do we get here? Instructions. Some instructions. Really, I have a video already showing you guys how to connect these type of adapters. However, I will be doing a setup video just for this one, since this one looks pretty good. So let's just take a look at it. So that's the important part. I know this is what you guys want to see up close, to see if it's exactly what you guys need. So this should work with your Macs right away. Shouldn't have any problems with it. I mean, you guys don't have to take out the plastic, but I will. If I can actually get a handle on this thing. And there we go. Come on, let's rip this apart. There we go. Alright. So here's the cable. Here's the input. Okay, so again, this is your HDMI. So that's where your HDMI is gonna go. DisplayPort. So it should work right away, really. I'm gonna try it out actually today, connecting iMac. So if you guys want to have a secondary screen, for example, you guys would purchase this. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna set it up. This is just an unboxing video, so that's it for this video really. But the setup video will be coming up, so you guys can watch for that in my channel. However, this should work just fine. I don't see anything why this would go wrong. It's pretty thick, pretty standard from what I see. Yeah. It's not thicker from other adapters that I've bought before, but it does look a little bit nicer than other ones that I've got. It's pretty short, it's not long. Then again, most of you don't want a long one, since your HDMI cable is usually longer than what you need, since your screen's right beside your iMac or your MacBook, for example. You don't really need this to be that, we usually don't need this cable to be that long, really, not really. Only for specific reasons we would need that longer. But then you would just get your HDMI cable to be longer, not really your adapter. Anyways, that's it for this unboxing video. Like I said, I will be doing a setup video for this, so you guys can see how it works, or see that it works at least. And a review after a few months. That's it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you can write them down here in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.